is, are. You have already learned about pronouns. Let us learn the use of words am, is, and are with pronouns. I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. You are. We observe that am is used with pronoun I. Is used with the pronouns that refer to one person, animal, place, or thing, such as he, she, and it. However, for you, we use are. Are is also used with pronouns that refer to more than one person, place, or thing, such as we and they.